Ryan's here this morning because of his outstanding achievements right throughout his secondary school. And in fact, last year, as many of you know, he was the Ducks at Brauer College. But more than that, I guess, he was also the highest performing student across the southwest with an ATAR of 99.1, which is really an incredible achievement. Just before I hand over to Rain, I don't want to hold the stage for too long, Rain. I just want to mention that Rain's history into the school and through the school is really, in my view, a really incredible story. Coming back to school can be quite challenging, even if you've been here for 3,000 years like me. And it's challenging probably mostly for our Year 7s that have started a new year at a brand new school, lots to learn. But can you just imagine what that would be like if you went to another country where you didn't know the language, you didn't know anyone else there, you didn't know the culture, and then just before, not that long after that, you get sent off to secondary school. And you enter that school not really knowing too many people, you don't have a great grasp of the language, really challenging way to start your secondary school. Ray was just telling me before that his parents actually wanted him to do another year at primary school just so he could get a better handle on the language before he got here. So it's really quite an incredible story that Rain was able to get to the level that he got to through his schooling and where he's about to go. So tomorrow Rain, you've probably got nothing to say after I say all this, Rain, but tomorrow Rain heads off to Monash University where he's going to study engineering. It's really exciting for him. Last week I had the pleasure with a couple of other teachers to see Rain awarded a scholarship, a regional scholarship, really significant scholarship to help him on his way, and the people that awarded that scholarship, like me, were absolutely blown away by Rain's story, his application, and he's such an amazing credit to himself, but also to all of the teachers that worked with Rain, probably from the start of being in Australia at his primary school and through here. So it's a great story, and it gives me great pleasure to welcome Rain to speak. But also, before I do that, how about a big round of applause to welcome Rain back.
Thank you, Mr. Jackson. Good morning, everyone. For those of you who don't know me, which you probably do now, my name's Rain, and I was the school captain of Brauer last year. Today, I'm here as someone who were in your shoes, as someone who also struggled in high school and through life. I'm here to give you some advice. I know that most of you think that as long as you work hard, you'll be rewarded in fairness. It probably catered you to the state. But today I'm here to tell you that as you grow up, you'll realize the unfair reality of your hard work perhaps not paying off. And that the achievements which you thought to be solely from your own hard work were not just yours, but rather the privilege that your environment has granted you. The reason why you're able to sit there and I'm able to stand here is to think that my hard work paid off is because the environment that I was in and you were in, that the environment that was built by your teachers, your friends, and your coaches and your parents, they inspired you, they encouraged you, they urged you, and they supported you to this day. You are lucky because there are people in this world who works harder than you but aren't rewarded for it. There are also people that wants to work hard but have no opportunity. And there are people who work too hard and burn out. Or people who, before they even try, get told, you will never be able to do it anyway. Or people who self-doubt and say to themselves, I won't be able to do it, and lose their motivation. This is why, onwards, please don't work hard just to win or lose. Please don't use the knowledge and skills you have acquired in this privileged environment to belittle others who are less fortunate, but to help them. And please don't get ahead of yourself. Admit your weaknesses bravely. Work hard and carry the weight of this privileged environment, and repay it in the future. Thank you.